The Maytag washer LF error code indicates that the appliance is taking excessively long to fill with water. This issue can be caused by several factors, including poor drain hose installation, low water pressure or no water in the supply hoses, and the use of anti-flood controls with the appliance. To fix the issue, it is essential to correct the drain hose installation by ensuring the hose length extending into the standpipe is less than 4.5 inches and that the drain opening is not taped over, as improper installation can create a siphon effect that empties the appliance during filling. Additionally, checking the water flow in the supply hoses is crucial. This can be done by opening the hot and cold water supply taps to ensure water flows into the hoses, and also by disconnecting the hoses from the back of the appliance to check for any blockages or kinks that may be limiting water flow. It is also recommended to avoid using anti-flood devices with the appliance, or to confirm with the manufacturer that they will not interfere with the washer's functioning. By addressing these potential causes, the LF error code issue can be resolved.